Hello everyone. Today we are looking at my Python in Unreal Engine. And here we're looking at the animation map. We also have an AI map, which I'm going to show off later, which is all new with an AI system to handle the Python. If we hit play on this animation map, you will see all the different animations for the Python. Coiling up, dying, walking, running. We can get out of this map and look at the folders. We have animation and blueprints. We'll look at those in a minute. We have the map with this animation map and then the AI map. We have the material folder with one PBR material for the Anaconda. The mesh, we can look at the physics asset here. And hit simulate. We'll get rid of the bones. Or the physics on it. Or the visuals. And then I should be able to pick up the Anaconda and whip them around. And then we have the skeleton for the Anaconda, of course. The textures, PBR textures, base color, normal, and roughness, all at 2K. Now we can jump into the animation. We have an animation blueprint for it that will go between running, walking, and idle, and then the turns. Then we can look at the other animations. The blueprint or the blend space is used in the AI system that we have for it. Then we have coiled to idle, a transitional animation where he uncoils. Then we have coiled. Then we have a constricted animation for constricting around their prey. A dead animation. Then we have dying. Idle to coiled, where he coils up. Idle to walk. We have an idle 1. Idle 2, idle 3, idle 4, and idle 5. And we have a jumping animation and a landing animation. We have a run, strike 1, strike 2, turn left, turn right, and walking. Now we can jump into the AI map. So now we're in the AI map. We can hit play, and they will randomly start doing Anaconda stuff. They're not as active as some of the other snakes, that's for sure. They're big and bulky. There goes one, starts moving around. There goes another one. And it's a basic AI system so that you can kind of drag and drop them into your project and not have to code the whole animal AI for it. And they're also interactive. So if I go up close to the Anaconda, he'll snap at me and then he'll try and run away. Same thing when they're coiled. It's a little bit different action when they're coiled. Oops. Yep. He uncoils and snaps at you. And you can also kill them. If you bump into their collision, you can kill them. And they can also see each other and will react similarly when they see each other. And we can get out of this and look at the blueprints for the Anaconda. We have the animation blueprint for it. And in the animation blueprint, we have all the different animations for, or at the anim blueprint, all the different animations for the Anaconda and all of their transitions between each other and how that is all handled. And if you're coding your own Anaconda AI, then you can use this anim blueprint as a structure to build your AI off of because it handles all the animation. We can jump out of this and look at the blueprint. And I'll go over this real quick. It makes a bunch of decisions based on some simple logic. And then it'll drain energy and regain energy. It'll roam around, run away, revive itself, and regain health. It'll rest, and how it handles all that. It'll do damage and detect eyesight. This is just by sight it detects things, and also a hit check. And if we look at the left hand side and click on the very top option, we should have a ton of options to change on the side if we need to, like the run radius distance or the walk radius, how far it can walk around, how long does it rest, how long does it idle, and how long does it stay dead, things like that. But that is a quick look at my Anaconda and AI for it in Unreal Engine. Have a good one, everyone.